just recorded scenery for y'all. Got the Eddy's chickens and waffles right here. Hey, bro, they got syrup in the bag?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. You got forks in here too? Yeah, I see it. Thank you, bro. So we about to go ahead and try this Eddy's and waffles right here. Y'all see the logo right behind me? Feel me? We about to go ahead and try this shit. Eddy's chicken and waffle. I'm gonna turn the car off. Alright, man, we back. Took me 40 fucking hours to get this camera put up. But we both got chicken and waffles, bro. Syrup in here. What the fuck? Come on, man, take it. Got the chicken and waffles. Babe got her plate. They showing what it look like. There you go. That shit smell good. We got the Eddy sauce. We both got the Eddy sauce. So, babe, I got you the Eddy sauce right here. Syrup right here, of course. I got you a fork, too. There you go.
Thank you.
So, we about to go ahead and try this shit right here. This is what my shit look like. Never had this shit. First time having the chicken and waffles from here. I think I had like the grits and fish and grits from here. I think it was from here. So yeah, we about to go ahead and try it. Chicken looks very crispy, by the way, y'all. Waffle look flaky as shit. So we about to go ahead and try it. Hey, man. I'm gonna try the waffle first. I'm trying the waffle first, y'all. That shit, nigga. Yeah. With the waffle, waffle don't taste too bad. Waffle don't taste too bad, y'all. I like to see them so y'all can see me more. Waffle don't taste too bad. It just fluffy and shit. I do this shit like I was in school. I'm about to go ahead and try the Eddy sauce. Chicken wing right here. Chicken really crispy, by the way, y'all. Wasn't expect that for now. This tastes like buffalo sauce and hot sauce together. Sauce alright. What you think about?
I ain't tried it yet.
The waffle.
Oh, the waffle is buttery. It's good.
You try chicken.
They just try to put some shit together with the sauce.
Look, bro, it tastes like, no disrespect, it tastes like they just mixed a whole bunch of shit up in the back. Hella hot sauce, buffalo sauce, hot sauce. You got whatever sauce you can think of. Chicken is really hot. Really good.
They chicken crispy, I'll give them that.
The chicken is fire. I see why it's overhyped. Cause I like their chicken. I'm gonna give their chicken like a 7 out of 10. It's really good, very flaky. It's really good, bro. She don't eat chicken and waffles together. So for the culture, I'm gonna try it together, y'all. I'm gonna try it together for y'all. Feel me? Bring me up a piece of this chicken. Go ahead. Give you something similar to like a little sweet and salty texture. Actually, not bad at all, bro. A little sweet and salty texture, bro. So it's just like, y'all ever had sweet and salty anything, like it don't matter what it is, you ever had it, bro? This basically what it is when it comes to food. This shit is just sweet and salty, bro. That's basically what this shit is. You ever had anything sweet and salty? This is basically what this is.
You a true nigga. Fuck that shit up.
Oh, I only tried it. I ain't even really eat it yet. You feel like I ate it?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm
I was
okay.
saying, I didn't see you in there.
Yeah, I don't even really eat it. Yeah, together, y'all. Yeah, Eddy's chicken and waffles, they actually hit. Shit was not overhyped, you know.
That's good.
I'm gonna get this shit a 9. God! I'm gonna get this chicken and waffles 9 because it's doing both of the courses are doing their job. The chicken is really good. The waffles is really fluffy. You know, you can't really do too much with waffles. You know what I'm saying? They're really fluffy. They're actually doing their job, bro. Right here.
Everybody coming over here for the Eddy's chicken waffles.
Mm-hmm. Even though the sauce was mid, I'll never get the sauce again. I do admit the sauce go with the chicken. But y'all could have came up with a better signature sauce because my nigga, that's just buffalo and hot sauce together. I know my taste is, bro. That's just buffalo and hot sauce. Y'all could have came up with something better, bro. And next time, clean the fucking chicken. I should not be seeing little feathers on my chicken. Y'all need to stop being lazy and clean y'all shit.
You probably missed the spot, man.
It's still good. I ain't lowering the rate as feathers out. But y'all niggas out here having dirty chicken. I'm gonna get somebody sick. So I need to start cleaning y'all chicken. That's it with this one, man. I know it's a quick one. So yeah, you know, y'all gotta have some quick videos too. What you give it a rating, babe, before we go?
Chicken a 7, waffle a 6.
About the same. That's about the same I had in my head, but together, you didn't have it together, right? Together, I give it a 9. Chicken a 7, like I said. Waffle about a 6. It's nothing crazy, just fluffy. You feel me? It don't got no spectacular taste or anything. Anyways, man, Davienomar the cut, Mr. Omar the cut. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Like, comment, subscribe if you new. Me and Baby Boo's out the cut, bro. I'm gonna come at y'all with more bangers, more heat. I'm gonna keep dropping, keep on posting. I'm gone, man. Peace. We done rolled a 1 billion. And I'm out, man. Peace.
Stay black.